What if I told you that you could create and sell coloring books on Amazon without knowing how to draw, without expensive software, and without ever touching any inventory? People all over the world are making money online by selling coloring books on Amazon KDP. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using a special AI tool called ColoringBook.ai. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create professional coloring pages with AI, how to turn those pages into a full coloring book, and how to upload and sell your book on Amazon KDP step by step. So if you want to build a simple online income stream, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. First off, what is ColoringBook.ai? It's an AI-powered tool that instantly turns your text prompts or even existing images into clean, black and white coloring pages. The best part? You don't need any drawing skills, you don't need Photoshop or Illustrator, and you don't need any design experience. With just a few clicks, you can generate print-ready coloring pages that are perfect for all kinds of books. We're talking kids' coloring books, adult coloring books, mandala books, educational books, and even super specific niche-based coloring books. This makes it the perfect tool for Amazon KDP sellers, especially if you're just starting out. So, why do coloring books sell so well on Amazon anyway? Well, here's why they are one of the best products to sell on Amazon KDP. First, there's evergreen demand. Parents, teachers, and adults buy them all year round, not just during holidays. Second, you can find low competition niches. This means you can target very specific audiences and not get lost in the crowd. Third, there's no inventory to worry about. Amazon prints the book and ships it for you every time you get a sale. And finally, it has incredible passive income potential. One book can sell for years after you create it. And when you combine all of that with the power of AI, you can create these books faster than ever before, which is a total game changer. All right, let's get into the step-by-step process. Step 1 is to create your coloring pages with ColoringBook.ai. First, you'll go to the website. Once you're inside, you will see options to either generate coloring pages from text prompts or convert your own images into coloring pages. For this example, we'll use a text prompt. You could type something like, "Cute jungle animals for kids, simple outlines, black and white." Within seconds, the AI creates a high-quality, professional-looking coloring page. Here's a pro tip for you. Stick to clean lines and simple designs, and try to avoid too much tiny detail, especially if you're making books for kids. This makes them much more fun and easy to color. Once you have a page you love, download it in high resolution. This is super important because Amazon KDP requires print quality files to make sure your book looks great in person. Now, just repeat this process until you have about 25 to 50 pages for your book. That's a great length to start with. Now for step 2, building your coloring book. Once you have all your coloring pages saved, it's time to turn them into an actual book. You don't need fancy software for this. You can use free tools like Canva or even Google Docs. The key is to make sure each page is centered nicely and that no images touch the edges of the page. This is called bleed, and it's important for printing. For the page size, a standard 8.5 by 11 inches works great for most coloring books on Amazon. Don't forget to add a simple title page, a copyright page, and maybe even an optional bonus page that says something like, "This book belongs to." It's a nice little touch. Once everything is arranged, you'll export your file as a PDF. This is the file you'll upload to Amazon. Step 3 is uploading to Amazon KDP. Head over to Amazon KDP and create a free account if you don't have one already. Once you're logged in, click Create Paperback Book. From there, you'll enter your book title, write a keyword-rich description to help people find your book, and choose the right categories. Then you'll upload your interior PDF file, the one we just made in your book cover. You can design a really nice cover for free using Canva. Amazon will then show you a preview of your book. Always check this preview very carefully before you hit publish to make sure everything looks perfect. Once it's approved, your coloring book will be live on Amazon, ready for people to buy. Okay, on to step 4, choosing profitable niches. This is where most people fail, but you won't. Instead of making generic coloring books that say animal coloring book, you need to target specific niches. For example, you could create coloring books for toddlers ages 2 to 4, Bible coloring books for kids, stress relief coloring books for adults, animal coloring books for preschoolers, or educational alphabet coloring books. The more specific your niche is, the easier it is for you to stand out from the competition and find your audience. So, how much money can you actually make? Let's be realistic here. One coloring book might earn you anywhere from $2 to $5 per sale in royalties. That might not sound like a lot, but imagine having 10 books, each making daily sales. Or 30 books, which could create a consistent income stream. Or what about 100 books? That could be a serious source of passive income. This is a volume game, and AI is the key that helps you scale up much faster than doing everything manually. To wrap things up, here are some final tips to help you succeed. First, focus on quality, not just quantity. Make sure your pages are well designed and fun. Second, always research your keywords before you publish. This helps you get discovered on Amazon. And third, stay consistent. The more books you create, the better your chances of success. If you want to get started faster, I highly recommend checking out ColoringBook.ai. It is one of the easiest and most effective tools out there to create sellable coloring pages for Amazon KDP. You can click the link in the description to try it out and start building your first coloring book today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a step-by-step follow-up tutorial where I build a book from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.